Jordan Deckard and Stephen Hipp, Luke Pye and Trevor Disbennett aren't working the lines. And the T-Birds chasing after the puck on the Bushinger on the left to Alexandra. From his office to the right side, Koskamaki toes it and shoots off the puck. Low for Reinhardt again. Twist back with it and feed a man late. Sabrango in the slot with a shot, he scored. On the scene now, Alexandra right circle with it, his shot blocked. Pekka back to it behind the net. His spinning centering try blocked away. Stenberg stays after it to the back post. Pekka, he scores! It's Reese with Robbins. Reese left side. Reese across to Robbins. He scores. Weiser fans it out into the high slot. Addison, the wrist shot. He scores! Pekka gave it away in front of his own net, and Jarenko down. Pilon in deeper. Bourgault has a man breaking in front. Bourgault steps in front and scores. Halliday steps inside of the net, centering feet in front. Oh, what a Now Yannick back in front, Dawu scores. He had a second chance, and he made the most of it, beating Jarenko. Predicated on winning the face-off. Reese got it back to the point for Donovan. Donovan, though, lost it out to center, and so that will do it. Anderson lays it back for Donovan. Final 5 seconds in this one. Senators come into Springfield, and for the first time in their history, they solve the T-Birds inside the Thunderdome. They win it by a final tonight of 4-2. Levi Merilainen, his 6th consecutive start.